I'm Jeevan. It's my privilege and pleasure to welcome all of you to World Genius Council. I would like to start with an experience I had immediately after my 10th class. My father insisted that I should go for mathematics tuitions with a particular teacher. On the first day, I saw he solved a tough trigonometric problem through an easy route. The second day, a student who was absent on the previous day asked him to solve the same problem again. This time, the teacher solved it using a different but an easier route. This prompted me to find more ways to solve the same problem. I could manage two more ways. The very next day, I have requested the teacher to check whether my solutions are correct. He congratulated me and asked me, Jeevan, how many ways are there to go to the railway station from here? I said, there are many. He said, you should choose the way depends on the facilities you have. If you have a car, use it. If you are planning to walk, you can take the narrow shortcut route. The, he further said, every problem in life and in mathematics can be solved in many ways. It depends how fast you want to solve it, what instruments and facilities you have. Once he asked us, what do you mean by A plus B is equal to B plus A? He was not interested in its property name. He said the statement in English language, that is addition from right to left, is equal to the addition from left to right. If you write it on a sheet of paper, it takes almost 70 letters. To write 70 letters on a sheet of paper, you need time, space, energy, ink, etc. But if you know how to translate English to mathematics, it takes just 5 characters. That is A plus B is equal to B plus C. I have been discussing such things with educationists and topmost intellectuals. In fact, I can tell you that I have been investing my time in building such relations than investing money in business. Finally, with all their support, World Genius Council is formed now. World Genius Council will be defining various benchmarks in education and it will get into accreditation, grading, and rating for all the stakeholders in the field of education. As the first step, we have introduced World Genius Search Examination, that is WGSE, for the students from class 1 to 12. For class 1 to 10, the main focus will be on mathematics and science of the respective class. But the questions will be linked to the daily life experiences. World Genius Council is not interested to check how much a student has mugged up and how much the student can vomit out. Rather, we are interested to know how he applied the theorems he learned in his own practical daily life. For class 11 and 12, we have 12 optional subjects for WGSE, out of which the student has to choose one. I am really enthused to tell you that though it was not a part of this current curriculum under any board, we have introduced artificial intelligence as one of the optional subjects. It is just because we expect that we are entering into an explosive yet revolutionary AI era. The IT era will slowly fade and AI will become the sunrise industry soon. As you see, many such surprise yet unconventional moves by World Genius Council or associate school students getting fully equipped with the first mover advantage. The WGSE will get extended to degree level and PG level from 2018-19 onwards. World Genius Search Examination offers two scores. One is a global percentile score, the other is global intellectual index, that is GII. GII is a cumulatively derived score on a scale of 0 to 9. It indicates how many years the student is consistently taking WGSE along with the score. If a student is taking the WGSE from class 1 to his postgraduate level, it will indicate at the postgraduate level that 15 by hyphen 8.1234, that is 4 decimals after the whole number. It will have a report along with the score indicating the strength and weakness of the student. The report on the weakness can be used for remedial measures to improve the weakness to positive territory. GII will have a wide range of applications. Suppose campus recruitments are happening at the degree level. The recruiters need not check the class 10, 12 or degree score. They can just look at the GII score. The recruitment potential of the candidates will be pronounced in the GII score. It can also be used for education loans, admissions and many more things. Under global percentile score every year, global genius awards are distributed to 100 percentile scorers class wise. I can tell you that GII can be the most sought after score in another 3 to 4 years time. Your school can register the students for WGSE right now and take the first mover advantage and appreciation from all the stakeholders. Apart from this, we have introduced Global Genius Green Awards for students, teachers, principals, and schools too. Associate schools need not pay any fee for nominations to Global Genius Green Awards. Global Genius Awards for teachers is introduced through WGSET and highly simplified school empowerment program, that is SCP 360. Both are introduced now. The details are available on the respective pages of the website. Finally, I can squeeze everything into a sweet short sentence. Your school's association with World Genius Council will empower your school beyond the limits of imagination. Be assured, we are with you. Thank you.